video, let us learn how to divide the number 189 by 9 using the long division method. As 1 is less than 9, so we will consider the number 18. From the multiplication table of 9, we know that 9 times 2 is equal to 18. Subtract, we get a 0. As this 0 is less than 9, so we will bring down this number 9 here. Now we know that there is no meaning of zeros on the left, so we will remove this 0. And we know that 9 times 1 is equal to 9. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have got the number 0 and there is no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 189 divided by 9 is equal to 21. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.